Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can generate an app password for Gmail. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, log in to your Gmail account and from the Gmail homepage, go to the top right of your screen on your profile. And then, click on Manage your Google account. After that, we're going to go to Security on the left panel. And then we're going to scroll down. We're going to go here in this passkey and security keys. Then Google will ask you to verify if it's really you. So put in your password. Click here to create a passkey. Gmail would then ask us on what app would we need the passkey for and what device are we going to use. And after choosing those options, Gmail would then generate a passkey for you to save on your device. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!